government has extended the tenure of Director General and Inspector General of Police M.A. Saleem until 2027. According to an official order, Dr. M.A. Saleem, a 1993 batch IPS officer, will continue in the top police post till August 29, 2027 or until further orders, whichever is earlier. The order also stated that the extension has been made in compliance with a Supreme Court judgment dated September 22, 2006 in Right Petition Civil number 310/1996 in the Prakash Singh versus Union of India case. M.A. Saleem was placed under concurrent charge as DG and IGP in May 2025 after the tenure of his former holder, Alok Mohan, as head of the police force ended. His appointment was later formalized by the state government in August 2025. A 1993 batch IPS officer, Saleem had a long and diverse career spanning nearly 3 decades, during which he has served in 26 different positions. Prior to his current role, he served as the Director General of Police of the Criminal Investigation Department. He was born on June 25, 1966. M.A. Saleem hails from Chikkabanavara, a once quiet village in northern Bengaluru. He holds postgraduate degrees in commerce and police management. He is also widely known for his own in improving Bengaluru's traffic management system. Over the years, he served as Deputy Commissioner of Police, Traffic East, Additional Commissioner of Police, Traffic and Security, and later as Special Commissioner of Police, Traffic, where he earned recognition for his contributions to easing traffic congestion in the city. The order confirming his extension states that he will continue as Karnataka's top police officer until 2027 unless further orders are issued.